Hi, I would like to show you how to operate the Manthorpe GL250 Insulated drop-down loft access door and the B&Q 2-section 10-tread loft ladder. With the hatch tool, insert the end into the recess and push the loft hatch horizontally. Guide the hatch down with the tool. With the hatch tool hook, pull the ladder down with the vertical action. On the left-hand side of the ladder, pull back the chute bolt and slide the ladder down until it's fully out. Then release the chute bolt into the locking position. Now release the right-hand chute bolt and lock the ladder. The ladder is positioned on the left-hand side of the opening to allow easy access to the loft light switch on the right. To close the ladder, release the right-hand chute bolt and put it in the back position. Then pull back the left-hand chute bolt and lift up the bottom ladder section until it locks up in position. With the latch tool hook, push the ladder up in a vertical direction until it rests on the loft floor. Now lift the hatch up with the hatch tool in the recess. Guide the hatch up and slide it in a horizontal direction until it locks. So it's bye from the DIY guy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful.